So let's talk about the 4 Ds that you need in order to make sure that you are having the most successful you that you can, the most successful podcast that you can, the most successful business that you can, and the most successful parenthood that you can. Wherever you are, if it's your health, your wealth, your podcast, your influence, here's the 4 Ds. Write them down. The first D that I want to mention is to do it. Some Ds come to you and it's a thing that you could get done or not do or whatever. And when some of them come, I just got to do it. Why would you do it? You would do it because it's fast and easy. You would do it because it saves you the most amount of time and money. You would do it because it makes you really, really happy. When you do that thing, you feel really, really good. And so you've got to be always prioritizing anything on your to-do list. Anything on your to-do list needs to be prioritized in those 4 things. One of the options is I've got to do this. I've got to get it done. I got to get this out of the way. I want to get this out of the way. I should be the one who does that. I should be the one who does that because it'll make the most amount of money for my company. I should be the one who does that because it's my podcast. I should be the one who does that because fill in the blank. So those are your do's. A next one is delegate. Delegate is when that means it needs to be done, but I don't need to be the one who does it. So some examples is editing your own podcast. You don't have to be the one who spend all that extra time. You can delegate that. Anything that there is that can be done, but doesn't need you to do it, you should delegate it. You should hire a third party. You should hire a virtual assistant. You should hire a podcast agency like ours. You should bring in a team member who does that, who's under your umbrella. Depending on what it is, you could do it. Or if it still needs to be done, but you're not the right person, then you will delegate it. The third D is to delay it. Hey, it needs to be done, but it does not need to be done right now. That could be for the future. This is important, but it is not urgent. It's something that would benefit the company, but I see other things that need to be finished first. So I'm going to delay. And then the fourth D, when something comes on your to-do list, things that can benefit you, you might have to delete them. They go onto the to-do list and you might realize that's actually pointless. That's actually not going to serve me. Why would I get that done? Why would I delegate and pay someone to do that? Why would I even delay it for a year? It's not even that important. And so you're going to get rid of those as well. So you're either going to do it, you're going to delegate it, you're going to delay it, or you're going to completely delete it. As those priorities come to your plate and you figure out, hey, should I wait on this? Should I give this to somebody else on my team? Should I just take care of it right now? Should I delegate it to somebody who's better than me at that part? Should I delegate it to somebody who I don't have to pay as much as I have to pay myself so that I can ultimately make more money? Should I delete it? Just get it completely out of the way and don't even have to worry about that thing anymore. Whatever it is in your podcast, in your fitness, in your health, in your family life, in your spiritual life, church or whatever, you'll either do it, delegate it, delay it, or delete it.